Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Here's my bike check. So I have a Shimano Atlas derailleur with VOODOO DMR pedals. Orange, you can go buy those for £65 or something like that off of dmrbikes.com. Trust me, they're really good for wheeling. I'd recommend it. Go to mafiabikes.com. No Atlas derailleur. The Shimano Atlas derailleur. This costs I don't know how much it costs, but it comes with the bike that I've got at the moment. They're very good for riding. I'd recommend one of them. They do come in a 10 speed as well. This has got 9. So yeah. I also had the Shimano gear shifters. These cost probably like £10, mate, £20, I don't know. These also come with a bike. There's a Clark's hydraulic brake. It's kind of beat up all here. I have the front, and then I have the back brake, and then I have the caliper. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the brake. Okay, so I have some nice stack mud guards. So I have these brake grips. There's only a little bit in it where I fell off yesterday. Loud and Lit. These also from Loud and Lit. You can go order some stuff off of Loud and Lit now. That will be in the link in the description. Make sure you go buy some stuff off of them. I have the front one and the back one. These cost £10 off of. You just type in nice back mud guards. It should come up loads of different colours. I hate the orange, obviously my bike's orange. So yeah, these cost £15 off of, no, these cost £10 from xlc.com. Make sure you go buy them. You can also buy them from Halfords, I'm pretty sure. Okay everyone, that's pretty much it for today's video. Make sure you do like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Okay, so that's the end of my bike check. Make sure you do subscribe to my channel.